Let me show you the fastest way to add a date field in Airtable and manage your deadlines, schedules, and important events with ease. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Airtable. You'll want to log into your account by clicking the Login button in the top right corner, and then enter your credentials. Once you're in, open the base that you want to edit. Think of a base as your project container. It holds all your related tables. Now, select the specific table where you'd like to add a date field. This is where your data lives, like tasks, events, or client records. Look at the very end of your field headers. That's the row at the top of your table that says things like name, status, or notes. Click the little plus button there. A new column will appear. Go ahead and give it a field name, for example, due date or start date, whatever makes sense for your workflow. Then, from the field type menu that pops up, select Date. This tells Airtable to expect calendar information in this column. Now you'll see some formatting options. Choose your preferred date format. If you're based in the US, you might pick /dd/yem/y, but if you're elsewhere, dd/yem may be more natural. If you need to track exact times for appointments or deadlines, you can optionally enable Include Time right here. Once you're happy, click Create Field or Save. Here comes the easy part. Click into any cell in that new column and a handy calendar picker will appear. Just select a date by clicking on it. Then press Enter on your keyboard or click outside the cell, and Airtable will automatically store that date. That's it, no manual typing required. A couple of quick tips to get the most out of your date field. Use it for deadlines, schedules, and events to keep everything organized. You can also combine this field with Calendar View for a beautiful visual layout of your timeline. If you're managing appointments or time-sensitive tasks, definitely turn on time tracking so you never miss an hour. And don't forget, you can apply filters later to show only upcoming items or overdue tasks, helping you stay on top of what matters most. So there you have it. You now know exactly how to add a date field in Airtable, pick a format, and start tracking your important dates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.